So today we will look into ABO blood grouping system. Basically this system is example of multi-allelism. This is example of multi-allelism, right? Now multi-allelism means different kind of allele. Now what is basically allele? What is allele? Basically allele is the possibility of a character. It is a possibility it is possibility of a character, right? We have a gene, right? In gene we have character, like gene expresses the characters of features. So for example, we have eye color, right? So eye color is basically a character. So we have 3 to 4 possibilities of that character. It can be black, it can be brown, it can be blue, it can be green. So these are the possibilities of the character, which is eye color, right? So that possibilities are known as allele. So in ABO blood grouping system we are having many possibilities, right? It can be A, it can be B, it can be O, it can be AB. So these are the possibilities of a character. So this ABO blood grouping system is example of multi-allelism, right? So basically this ABO blood grouping system was given by Carl Landsteiner in 1900, right? So it was given by Carl Landsteiner, the ABO blood grouping system, right? So basically according to this, okay, we have 3 genes over here, which are I A, I B, and I O. Basically we have phenotype, over here we have genotype of 6. We have genotype of 6. Now let's look into how we have 6 genotype, right? So it can be IA, right? It can be IAIB. It can be IAI not. It can be IBIB, right? It can be IBI not, and the last it can be I not and I not, right? So these are, so like this we have 6 genotypes. We have 6 genotypes of this. Now it will form like this. Blood group will be blood group A. It will be blood group AB, right? This will be like, let's say BG for blood group. It will be blood group A. This will be blood group B. This will be blood group B, and this will be blood group O, right? So basically we have genotype which is 6. But let's talk about phenotype. We are having phenotype of 4. Like this is group A, AB, A same, B and O. So how many genotype we how many phenotype we have? We basically have genotype of 4, or sorry, phenotype of 4. Let me write over here. We have phenotype of 4, right? So basically we have some kind of antigen. Now what is antigen? Basically antigen are protein, or sometimes they are, okay, let me write over here. Let's talk about antigen. Now what are antigen? Antigen are basically they are usually protein, They are usually protein or sometimes carbohydrates too. Sometimes carbohydrates too. Basically, we have three types of antigen. Basically, antigen are present on the surface of RBC. This is antigen, and on the surface we have, or like this is RBC, and on surface we have this antigen, right? So basically, we have three types of this antigen. We have three types of antigen. First is like we have antigen A. Antigen A. Second, we have antigen B, and then we have RH factor, RH antigen. Right? So we have three antigen. So now let's look into it how this blood group A looks like. Like blood group A. So basically this blood group A has antigen A. It has antigen A and antibody for B. So it has antibody B, right? If we talk about blood group B, then we have antigen B and antibody A. We have antibody A, right? If we have talk about blood group AB, blood group AB. So basically in blood group AB, their antigen will be AB, but the antibody will be no. How it will make antibody? Obviously, it can't make antibody against itself, right? So if we talk about blood group O, so it will have basically no antigen and it will have antibody A and B. It will have antibody A and antibody B, right? So I guess these are the. Okay, now let's talk about which blood group can donate to which blood, right? So let's make a checkerboard over here. So something like this, right? Let's write over here A, B, AB, will be O, right? So it's here A, B, AB and O. So now let's look like which blood group can be given to which. Can A give to A? Like in, okay, whenever we are checking, we will check here's antibody, this side antibody, right? So can A give to A? Basically in A we have antibody B. So yes, an antigen A. So A can easily be donated. In B, we have over here antigen B and antibody B. So obviously this antibody B will attack on antigen A, right? So this can't be given. This is a cross. Now on AB, so basically there is no antibody. So it means A can donate blood to AB, right? So on O, so on like in blood group O, there are two antibody A and antibody B. So obviously we can't give to A, can't give to O. Now if we talk about B, so B can't give to A because A have antibody B and B, oh yes, it A has antibody B, so obviously B can't give blood to A. It can give to itself, it can give to A, B too, because on A, B there is no antibody against B, so we can give In O, there's antibody A and B, so obviously we can't give B to O, right? If we talk about AB to A, on AB we have no antibodies, right? But in A we have antibody B, so we can't give basically, right? AB can't be given to B too because it has antibody A. AB can be given to AB. AB can be given to O or not. So on O we have antibody AB, and on AB we have antigen AB, so it can't be given, right? So O can be given to A or not. Basically on A we have antibody B, and O we don't have such kind of antigens. We can give to B two, to this two, and this two. So basically this proves that O is basically blood group. O is basically universal it is universal donor, right? And AB is universal receiver, right? AB is universal receiver. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer you guys.